Yo guys, this is my first YouTube video and I want to show you guys this. This is a new video. So today we're going to be showing you how to make a DIY fender for any kind of dirt bike. This works especially well on Honda dirt bikes, but it can really work for any dirt bike. And so just to show you guys, here's an example. This is an XR50, and so if say you're wheeling or something like that and your fender breaks off like it did here, what you can do is, instead of buying another fender, or until you do, you can just do this. All right, Mitchell, what are we doing here?
Making a custom rear fender for the XR50 because we were popping wheelies and it came off.
What do you got here? Just some cardboard?
This is a makeshift cardboard box. Apparently it's supposed to squeeze and pull.
All right, we're back. We got some cardboard. Mitch, test out that paint there. This is how it's done. He's a professional painter. We're gonna have to time lapse this. Alright guys, here's the finished product. As you can see, kind of fits in. I mean, it's not the best thing in the world, but hey, for a free fender, it's better than just having metal bars there. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, rate, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you in the next video.